The release of FD03 has brought about a ton of great changes and enhancements to the roles and apps that we love to use on the 3D Experience platform. To me, some of the greatest enhancements are happening to the Collaborative Designer for SOLIDWORKS role. In this role, we've had some changes to how the drawing title and the part or assembly titles are starting to match up. Now, typically, in before FD03, we would have something like Bend Table Sheet Metal as my drawing title, but inside of it is Super Cool Sheet Metal. It's a part file with a different name. If I were to come in, add in a bend table, make some simple changes to my drawing, and then resave this to the 3D Experience platform, we would see what we would typically expect. That drawing title would stay as Bend Table Sheet Metal. My part would stay as Super Cool Sheet Metal. However, with FD03, we have a couple options here for using the part or assembly title as our new drawing title. The two options we have are only on that initial save, so when we're first pushing things up to our 3D space on the 3D Experience platform. But we also have this other option for on every save or update. So that means that if we change the title of the part that's sitting inside of our drawing, or the assembly inside of our drawing, we can rest assured that this drawing title is going to match. And this is going to give us some additional flexibility when we're naming our drawing, because we don't have to be perfect the first time. So now, with that option selected, and I save this up to the 3D Experience platform, we're going to notice that, well, now my component name, my drawing, and for my part are going to match. We have Super Cool Sheet Metal for the drawing and Super Cool Sheet Metal for my part.